It's an all-too-familiar picture in hospitals today. The use of outdated cleaning methods lead to wasted dollars and lower patient satisfaction. Housekeepers, often equipped with antiquated tools, are given the responsibility to clean large areas without consideration for overall volume and activity. This leads to inequitable work, employee dissatisfaction, and poor patient room cleaning practices. Because they're working alone, their cleaning is often interrupted to handle urgent requests, spills, and discharges. The inefficient workflows prevent EVS caregivers from completing their daily tasks and lead to employee stress, non-standardized cleaning processes, and poor patient interactions. Xanitos' solution starts with its patented XRO system that uses a lean-inspired team cleaning approach. This approach reduces inefficiencies in patient room cleaning while increasing patient interactions. Supported by staggered flex discharge cleaning staff, the XRO team utilizes a standard approach to clean every patient room every day. One at a time, each member of the XRO team enters the patient room to complete specific tasks. The first visit is focused on emptying the trash and tidying the room. The second visit utilizes Xanitos' patented XRO vacuum to remove dust and pathogens. And the third visit includes a thorough disinfection of high touch points. Finishing daily cleaning by midday, members of the team are utilized to address discharge cleans as discharge volume begins to rise, supporting overall increased throughput. When compared to the traditional housekeeping model, the Xanitos team method is more efficient and requires fewer overall trips. Employees are happier, patients are pleased, and rooms are cleaner. Using Xanitos' patented XRO system, hospitals can clean more rooms in less time, decrease the risk of HAIs, and increase patient interactions. Xanitos. We help save lives.